ClientEd is a pet health education library of easy-to-understand information that veterinary teams can use to support client comprehension in the hospital and client compliance at home. When you sign up for ClientEd, you'll receive a welcome email with steps for creating your login and password. Enter your information here. Once you're logged in, start your search. Enter a phrase or term, for example, strokes in dogs. Hit the search button and your results appear, each with a summary description of the handout's content. Clicking on a title will show you the complete handout. Each handout is written in an easy-to-read, question-answer format, and curated images or illustrations are added to each one. From here, you can choose to email, download, or print the handout. Emailing the handout gives you the option to include a personal note with the digital copy. The download and print options format the handout as a PDF. Printing the handout also gives you the option to include comments in the printed version so you can tailor it to your patient. The advanced search features, including topic filters and a save search function, can help refine your search results and save you time when looking for specific handouts. Handouts can also be added to your favorites list, which is shared by all team members on the practice account. While all the handouts in the library are written by medical experts, you have the ability to edit handout content and tailor it specifically to your hospital. You can also author your own handout and have them indexed into your ClientEd library. And this library doesn't just live in the portal, it can also be integrated into your website for pet owners to use and into select practice management systems for ease of access by the entire team. If you're committed to effective client education and value efficiency, consider what ClientEd can do for your practice and your pet owners. Log in now at LifeLearn-cliented.com or visit LifeLearn.com to start your 30-day free trial.